Here are the steps for creating a corpus using WebBootCaT. Imagine I'm doing a translation or some work on Janáček, the Czech composer. Give the corpus a name and choose the language that you want the texts in, and then enter seed words. These are the words which are particular to your topic. So here is Húkváldy and Brno, two places very much associated with Janáček. Notice that they are separated by spaces only, as it says here, use space as a separator. And Taras Bulba, one of his most famous compositions, is a multi-word expression in quotes. So I've added some more words here, and that should identify Janáček quite clearly on the web. Click Next, and very quickly a set of URLs is presented, 10 for 3 of the items in the seed words. So here's another 10 for these 3 items, etc. The default is 10 URLs for 10 sets of 3 seed words. If you wish to read through the URLs and say that some of them don't belong in your corpus, you can simply deselect them here. When you are satisfied with your list, click OK, and the processing begins. So that took just under 3 minutes for the processing to be done. Click on OK, and we can see that the corpus is ready to be opened in Sketch Engine, but we can do a few other things too if we wish. So firstly, let's just look for a verb. Compose, no problem, unsurprisingly, 30 hits there. Okay. So in 3 minutes we built a corpus of almost 50,000 words. And over here on the left we have quite a few possibilities. And perhaps the most interesting one is extracting keywords. We are offered all these choices which we can adjust later once we get used to it, but let's accept the defaults as they are now. Here they are, all of these keywords, words which occur in the corpus more frequently than occur in general English. If we wish to make the corpus even larger, we can select certain words and use WebBootCaT with selected words. And we go through that same process. Click OK. The processing continues. And the good news is we can now click OK and find that that generated almost 30,000. And here are the extracted keywords for the new corpus, the double corpus in fact. So that's how we create a corpus from web documents using WebBootCaT.